Hey, what's up, everyone? So I haven't made some content in a while because I've been working on my own 3D printer. Um, just making a little more uh, cleaned up, simplifying some things, improving some things. And I started a little business in my sign shop that I'm trying to do. So be expecting some new content and here I am. I was making these videos and I really enjoy what I do so much that I decided I want to be involved, like not just be a person making content, but I want to be involved directly in the design, engineer, philosophy, all of it in the 3D printing world. So I'm taking a risk. I have a little space. I don't know if it's going to work. I might lose everything, and I'm okay with it because you don't know until you try. Anyways, I hope that I could see you guys as a customer. I hope you keep watching my videos and keep following my progress. I'm working hard and I've already sunk a lot of money into this and I might not even make it. But I look forward to hearing your comments and feedback. Zedward, Newman 3D, iHeart 3D Printing Channel. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.